Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C21Y and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to enter the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. And of course, if you want, we can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button. But if the list in your case is wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, so the list we just had, the cookies and site data and cache images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, auto film from data and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So if you are ready, just tap on clear data. And as you can see, we just got back to the history and it is empty, so it means that we just successfully removed everything, starting from the browsing history and ending on, for example, saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your REALME C21Y. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.